Alright guys, so we knocked on my friend's door in San Diego on Parlo's door, and it just opened and he's not here, so we're gonna scare him. Here, let's hide in the bathroom.
Are you still walking? No way! No. Oh shit!
I thought that was her. So I was gonna start screaming, and then I seen her walking this way, and I'm like,
What's up, guys? So I just asked Bettina to take a video of me because I thought I was looking fresh a little bit. Don't worry about the ribbons. They're new. About 2 ribbons. I'm feeling good, bro.
the 2 medals, you mean?
Oh, fuck yeah, medals. Dude.
There you go.
Alphas.
Yeah.
Alpha season.
You should settle one.
I'm your little sister. Of course you're gonna make up those videos, right?
Oh, bitch.
God damn.
It's so crazy how much a hat does to you. Like, when you put it on there, I'm a fucking frat boy now.
Yo, dude.
Yo, who's got the Zanny, dog?
Who's
got the Zanny?
You're not the hat anymore. That's what you used to do. Bro, you were a fucking douche for a second there, bro.
I'm sorry. I get crazy with little covers or caps, I'm sorry.
Civilian cover, you understand me?
So we're gonna go get some tacos. Mine's is at like 2%, but it's okay.
What kind of whack ass scooter is it?
It's okay, we're gonna go get some tacos. We're gonna get the bird scooters, you know what I'm saying? Yo, how many tacos did I just order?
These were 28 tacos.
Yeah, it's crazy. You liking that chip?
She's low-key hot, bro.
Yeah, it's burning my mouth. I just didn't want to say anything because I didn't want.
I'll just start tuning up here in a second.
I know. I was like, bro, you know what I feel? I feel like I'm chewing loud as fuck.
Yeah, you can hear it. I'm like,
Fucking.
hey, do you put salt on your chips?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Because, alright, so me and my brother, we went to this place. I can't remember who I was with, but I think it was me. And I put salt on it. And they were like, what the fuck? Why are you putting salt on your chips?
Wait, who said that?
I think it was Pardo's bitch ass. I was like, what the fuck are you talking about? Salt on your chips is the shit. Hey, YouTube senses.
Is salt on your chips bad or good? Like these kind of chips. So we got our food. And I just asked them, can we please stay and finish them? Because they're like really good for some reason right now. So we're gonna stay and finish them.
Chopio?
Chopio? We literally destroyed all of them, man. Alright, let's go. They're literally all waiting for their food right now. And we stayed there and ate all the chips. So it's only like a 5-minute ride back. Hey, Bird, if you want to sponsor me, hey, everybody go check out Bird. They're an amazing scooter company that lets you get anywhere around the city. So
Hey, I just unlocked my shit real quick. If that helps.
if that helps, yeah. Alright, so go check them out, guys. Bird, hit me up. Bro, I'm tacos, guys. They're so freaking messed up.
You down? Let's go ride scooters for like an hour. I'm there. I'm down to split. Hey, are y'all
And
going?
just like that, all the tacos are gone. How fast can you eat it? How fast can you eat it? Wow. Hey, that's lit. Hey. Alright, real quick guys, what were you guys drinking?
Coca-Cola!
Till I can't